Are you struggling to lose body fat despite your best efforts? You're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 common reasons that might be holding you back from reaching your goals. 1. Ineffective exercises. You might not be working out in the most effective way. 2 is overeating. It's easy to consume more calories than you realize. 3 is inconsistency with exercise and healthy eating habits. Success requires sticking to your exercise and nutrition plans. Understanding these factors is crucial. According to the Denver Health Medical Plan, these are some of the primary reasons many people face in their weight loss journey. Let's dive deeper into each one and explore effective solutions. The Denver Health Medical Plan states that one of the most effective ways to lose body fat is through metabolic conditioning exercises. This type of workout combines cardio and strength training, focusing on structured periods of intense work followed by short rest intervals. Now let's talk about the benefits of metabolic conditioning exercises. 1. Improved energy efficiency. Metabolic conditioning exercises are specifically designed to enhance your metabolism, the process by which your body converts food into energy. By engaging in these high-intensity workouts, you train your body to utilize energy sources more effectively, leading to increased calorie burn both during and after exercise. This improved energy efficiency means that your body can access and use stored fat and carbohydrates more effectively, ultimately supporting better performance and weight management. 2. Increased endurance. Engaging in metabolic exercises significantly boosts your stamina over time. As you consistently challenge your cardiovascular system and muscles with high-intensity intervals, you'll develop greater endurance. This improved stamina not only enhances your overall fitness level, but also contributes to more effective calorie burning and weight loss during each session. 3. Strength building. Incorporating strength training into your metabolic exercise routine effectively tones and strengthens your muscles. This combination not only enhances muscle definition, but also increases overall strength. Additionally, building lean muscle mass boosts your metabolism, allowing your body to burn more calories at rest and supporting your weight loss goals. Here's an example of a workout you can try. Burpees for 30 seconds, focusing on speed while maintaining good form. Burpees are a powerful metabolic exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the chest, arms, legs, and core, providing a full-body workout that burns a significant number of calories in a short time, making them excellent for weight loss. 2. Kettlebell thrusters. A powerful full-body exercise that combines strength and cardio. This dynamic movement not only targets your legs and shoulders but also elevates your heart rate, making it an excellent addition for building endurance and burning calories. Next, mountain climbers for an intense cardio burst that engages your core, shoulders, and legs. This high-energy exercise not only boosts your heart rate but also enhances agility and endurance. Add push-ups into your workout for a classic strength exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. This foundational movement helps build upper body strength and stability, while also engaging your core, making it an essential part of any fitness routine. Wrap up your workout with high knees for an exhilarating cardio finisher. This dynamic exercise elevates your heart rate while effectively engaging your core and lower body. Burn a significant number of calories, aiding in weight loss. Complete 3 rounds of 30 seconds for each exercise, resting for 15 seconds between them. If this feels too challenging, feel free to start with just 2 or 3 of the exercises. Now let's discuss how to stop or limit overeating and manage your calorie intake. To maximize calorie burning and lose body fat, it's important to consume fewer calories. Here are some tips. 1. Listen to your body. When you start to feel satisfied, stop eating and avoid sugary drinks after meals to help manage your caloric intake. Mindful eating. Pay attention to what and how much you're eating. If you feel sluggish or lazy after a meal, it may be a sign you've consumed more calories than your body needs. According to Dr. Singh, unconscious overeating occurs when we eat without awareness of our food or how full we feel, which can lead to weight gain. In our busy lives, distractions often take our attention away from our meals. Research shows that people watching television while eating consume 36% more pizza and 71% more mac and cheese. So, the key is to be mindful of your eating habits to prevent unwanted weight gain. Now let's dive into some healthy food choices. Most of what you eat should consist of lean proteins, options like grilled chicken, fish such as salmon or tuna, lean cuts of beef and eggs. Whole grains. Choose whole grain pasta, brown rice, quinoa, and oats for complex carbohydrates that provide energy, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Healthy fats. Include avocados, peanuts, almonds, and chia seeds for essential fatty acids. Vegetables and leafy greens. Fill your plate with spinach, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts, which are low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Next is fruits. Enjoy fruits like berries, bananas, and apples for natural sugars, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. I hope this information helps you on your weight loss journey. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help out.